Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna to show you welding supervisor interview. So before going to interview room, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. When I will upload new video, it will approach to you and you can get the advantage from this video. So guys, come with me. We are going to interview room and you will see the type of questions is going to be asking in interview of welding supervisor. So guys, let's come.
Job,
What job?
their qualification,
Okay.
size welder,
Okay.
thickness welder, depend upon materials.
Okay.
Record them in
Do you
different
know the
types.
material, types of material?
Yes, I know.
Just tell me the type of material.
Carbon steel, stainless steel, iron steel,
Uh,
LTCS,
uh.
galvanized steel,
Okay, LTS filler or just tell me the filler one.
7018-1,
70?
18-1,
LTC ka?
LTCS,
LTCS.
LTCS,
Okay, alloy?
and steel 8018, 9018,
P11 P91
P90 9018,
90?
18.
Filler wire.
Year 901, year 90 B3.
Okay. So you know all the filler wires.
Yes, I know.
Dissimilar, give me the dissimilar. SS to alloy.
309 you want to
SS to alloy.
909 you want.
SS to alloy.
9018.
SS to dissimilar alloy. Carbon to CS dissimilar.
309.
Okay. So SS to alloy. Per day how many welders has to inch?
Pardon?
Welders.
Uh,
How many inches can?
20,
can
20,
weld?
20.
20 only. The site,
Inside.
workshop.
Shop 25, 30.
Tell me the electrode bagging timings.
Electrode backing.
Yes. What is the procedure for electrode bagging?
Electrode. You want to try the electrode for 250 degrees Celsius.
For what?
No, carbon steel 70.
Okay, packing.
Packing 250 to 425.
How many hours?
1 hour.
Holding?
Holding 2 hours.
No. Okay. It's wrong. There are variety rods, is there? 2 milli, 3 milli, 4 milli.
Yeah.
Then
4 millimeter.
okay, for 2 milli rod,
Yeah.
how much you can give? There is some calculation is there. 2 milli, 3 milli, 4 milli.
Yeah.
Just tell me the calculation.
Wavelength.
Uh,
Yeah.
then do you know the what do you want to show? What is that?
That's all cover.
For 30 years you was a welding supervisor. Earlier you was a welder.
No, okay.
Then?
Mechanical, I work in QC field.
QC field.
Yeah. QC field I work like.
Do you know about the fabrication welding?
Yeah, I know.
Huh? Before SS, what you will do?
Purging you want to do justice.
Okay, how will you do the purging? Which gas?
Argon gas.
Argon gas.
Yeah.
Okay, how will you fix purging?
You want to fix on purging type.
Okay, how many types of purging is there? Types of purging.
Back purging.
Huh?
Back purging by
How
gas.
many types is there?
And purging by.
Purging method is lot of method will be there. Just tell me the purging methods.
I worked in argon gas back purging.
You know, Malayali, Tamil, Hindi.
Malayali.
Malayali.
Uh,
How many types purging methods? Purging methods, lot of method is there.
Purging strip, back strip you can use.
Huh?
Purging gas. I
Okay.
work in purging argon gas, back purging. I
Did
use.
you work as in reformer field? Reformer tubes?
Sir?
Reformer tubes?
Reformer.
No. Only pipe.
Only by.
Only straight pipes. Not for connection, not for branches.
Brand is also.
You know, for the branch, how will you do for purging that?
Mixer we are fixing on purging type.
So show me. This is the key, right?
Yeah.
Where you will give the purging?
Here I want to fix the purging tab.
Okay.
Here purging tab.
Okay.
Here we will put a small portion here
Okay.
to check out the purging.
Okay. This is 12 meter, 30 meter. This is 40 meter. Okay. Before I will fit the purging, and how you remove?
What is that?
This is from 30 meter. You got my point? 30 meter length is going.
Yeah.
30 meter இந்த பக்கம் போகுது. இந்த பக்கம் 40 மீட்டர் போகுது. இவ்வளோ ஒரு ஜாயிண்ட் வருது. இங்க ஒரு ஜாயிண்ட் வருது. Okay? So you will give dam here to dam here. And dam here. So how will எப்படி கொடுப்ப பர்ச்சிங்? 30 meter, 40 meter. எப்படி பர்ச் கொடுப்ப?
Purging, before fixing this, you want to fix that purging tab here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. You have to put the argon gas inside.
How?
In the joint side, you have to make a small portion.
What is it?
Small portion.
What is the type of that name? Purging method, what is the type? What is the name? Another pair method.
Back purging only.
Okay, how will, after welding, how will you remove the purging? Because it's a 30 meter, it's a 40 meter.
Yeah.
Then how will you
This
remove?
is water soluble purging tab you are using.
How will you fix this one?
Inside we can fix it before fabrication. Before fit up, you want to fit the
Who is the responsibility for the purging?
QC and welding supervisor.
You are the welding.
Yeah.
You know the joint slipper, right?
Yeah.
This is the pipe.
Yeah.
Okay? There is the welding. Right?
Yeah.
Some area, some repair scheme.
Yes.
What are the types of repair? Repair types. What are the repairs? For the welding repair, just tell me, explain.
Surface, if it is surface defects, we can remove the surface. In that defects, we want to approve the repair procedure from the client.
Okay. So, okay. After the welding, you got the repair, right?
Yeah.
You have to find out where is the repair. How will you find out?
By seeing the RT film
Hmm.
and RT film clearly showing where is the defect.
Okay.
That defect you want to mark on the pipe, you want to excavate that.
Okay. That mark on the pipe.
Yeah.
But which person you have to look? You have to fix that.
Yeah, by excavating that portion, we will find out the.
How do you know which portion is repaired?
According to the RT film, it is clearly mentioned A, B, C, D like that.
Okay, it is mentioned in the films.
Yeah.
But how will mark in the pipe? How you will mark in the pipe?
Same film we can
No.
mention A, B, C, D like that.
Okay,
Pipe
that's
also.
okay. That's only the film mentioning.
On the pipe also.
For the
they are
reference.
mentioning- On the
No.
pipe also they are mentioning.
No, they will not mention ABC. No.
No, glass
No.
they are mentioning A, B, C.
No. They will not mention. It's only film mark.
Yeah.
You know that how they will fix the film, right?
Yeah.
So in that film only it's mentioned ABC.
Yeah.
But in the pipe, how will mark?
From the starting to end. Like
Just
this.
tell me which is the starting position. How you know?
Starting portion they will mark in the pipe
How?
also.
How it is?
They-
The mark, how it is will be there? Just show me.
Like this they are marking
No.
in the pipe.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லிட்டா டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணா
I understood the question.
கொஸ்டின் இருக்குல்ல பைப் இருக்குல்ல
Yeah.
பைப் இருக்கு வெல்டிங் இருக்கா
Yeah.
எங்க நீ மார்க் பண்ணுவ ரிப்பேர் எந்த இடத்துல மார்க் பண்ணுவா they will put one mark symbol is there what is the symbol அதுதான் கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் just show me the symbol என்ன symbol இருக்கும்
In glass we used to mark on the pipe like this A, B,
No.
C, like that.
No.
Pipe also they are mentioning.
you are not a supervisor you worked as supervisor but you don't have proper knowledge ABC it is coming with only film la mattum dhaan varum it's coming only film not in the pipe they are not allowing to mark ABC in the pipe
By SS marker on SS we can.
no there will be one symbol will be there simple there will be one symbol will be there that answer I told just mark what is the symbol how it will be there yes you don't know
Arrow mark starting point here, arrow mark here like this.
show me this is the arrow mark
Yeah.
no there will be one symbol will be there
RT.
which is the clock position
Sir?
which side is clock position ஒரு ஏரோ போட்டிருப்பார் பார்த்திருக்கியா So they can mark arrow which any side based on their technician. Okay.
Yeah.
What is this? So each joint have the mark will be there. This is called 0.
Yeah.
It will be go clockwise or it will be start 0 here, 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 here. Right?
Yes.
This is the main thing, guys. You are a QC, right?
I work in QC,
Then,
supervision also.
You are a QC, you should know about these symbols. While the technician doing marking in the joint, they have to put the mark from here. Wherever they can put, उससे मर्जी से वो लोग डाल देगा वो लोग, किधर भी डाल देगा, टेक्नीशियन किधर जगह वेल्डिंग है, उधर भी डाल देगा. What is the WBS?
Welding procedure specification.
Pick your
procedure qualification record.
WQT.
Welding procedure qualification.
WQT.
WQT. Welder. Welder qualification list.
PWST, where you will use?
PWHT and CS5.
CS5, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All the carburetors they will put?
No, not all.
Then? It should
Mainly
be,
we are
it should
doing
be
RST. Mainly we are doing RST.
uh,
CS also we are doing PWHT.
for in the variety la put thickness,
Thickness.
based on the thickness,
Yeah, based on the thickness.
based on the WBS.
Yeah.
Carburetors they are not allowing to do for PWST, but based on the WBS, based
Yeah.
on the thickness.
Yeah. Yes.
You know welding, you don't know welding, huh?
Welding.
Earlier you was a welder?
No,
Then-
not. Now I got welding.
No. Welding only welding supervisor. Tell me how many எத்தனை இன்ச்சில் இருந்து எத்தனை இன்ச்சில் வேலை செஞ்சிருக்கீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
1 inch to 48 inch.
40 inches.
Yeah.
Right now we are not taking welding supervisors, but we will keep it in our data.
Yeah.
We will inform you if any chances will be there.
Yeah.
Already the welding supervisor position is completed,
Yeah.
so we have to wait for another project.
Yeah. Yes.